Yes, good morning. Namaste. This is Srikanth from Krishna Pulse from room number 36, Jubilee Hills, Hyderabad. Our shop is located near to metro station and we established in the year 1983. We are having 4 outlets in Hyderabad. One is in Taj Krishna Hotel, one is in Charminar, one is in Novotel Convention Center, one is in Jubilee Hills. Jubilee Hills is the biggest outlet. You can see lot more collection. Today I'm going to show a nice collection of gold pearl chains. Please have a look of this collection. I'll start showing one by one. Please have a look of these few collections. So I'll start showing one by one. Please have a look of this pearl gold chain. See this pulsing, how beautiful it is done. And this is longer in length. These are made with natural freshwater pearls. And you can see the perfection of these pearls. All pearls are completely round. And here in between you can see the gold brooch. You can see the workmanship. It's totally handmade. And you can see the CZs over here. So down you can see the green beads also. It gives more beauty for this long chain. And this is longer in length. And you can see how it looks when you wear it. And this is suitable for men and women. So those are looking for lightweight of gold pearl chain, they can go something like this. Here they use very less weight of gold. And the gold weight of this necklace is only 6.5 grams of gold is there in this. And it is having an adjustable dory also, so that you can even adjust the length according to your choice. I'll show you clearly once again. And you can see the pearls also, how beautiful it is. And it is having a good shine also. And you can see the gold brooch. It's totally done by hand. As you can see the workmanship. They used the nylon thread over here. On each and every jewelry you can see the hallmark on this. And the total weight of this pearl necklace is 140 grams and the net weight of gold is only 6 grams. So within 6 grams they use a brooch kind of a pearl chain like this. So those are looking for a traditional kind of gold pearl chain, or like on the sherwanis also it will match. As you can see here. And price for this necklace is approximately 1,55,000 rupees. Now I am going to show another beautiful long pearl necklace. This is something different and new piece. Please have a look of this long pearl chain. This is also made in 22 karat gold. And you can see the workmanship over here. It's totally made with natural freshwater pearls. In between there are green beads. And you can see the gold brooch also. You can see the design over this, on this. And you can see the Ganesha, how beautiful it is done. On one side is the brooch. On another side you can see the Lakshmi, how beautiful it is made. And you can see the clear face of Lakshmi as well as Ganesha also, how beautiful it is made. Very good workmanship. So down you can see red color stones beads and green beads. So down they used very small pearls to give more beauty for this long pearl chain. You can see the beauty of this long pearl chain. It's totally done by hand. So both the borders here they used red stones to give more good appearance for this long pearl chain. So down they used a mixed combination of red beads and green beads. Below you can see very smaller pearls. These are also natural freshwater pearls. They're having multiple layers. It gives more elegance for this pearl chain. So in between they added some green and red beads. This is a very nice piece. As you can see, the workmanship also is totally done by hand. This is back view of this pearl long chain, totally done by hand, and this is also made in 22 karat gold. Here also they use very less weight of gold, which is only 20 grams. So within 20 grams, as you can just assume how beautiful it is made. It's a very nice piece. You can just see clearly how beautiful it is made. At the bottom you can see multiple layers of pearls here, bunch of pearls. It gives more elegance for this long pearl chains. And I'll just show you clearly how it looks when you wear it. It looks like this. And also it is having adjustable dory also, even you can adjust the length of this chain. And total weight of this chain is 110 grams and net weight of gold is 20 grams. Approximate price for this pearl chain is 1,84,000 rupees. So within 1,84,000 you're getting a long chain like this. Yeah. Yes. And also like we have like a resale value for the pearls also. You get 80% exchange value for the pearls. Now I am going to show another beautiful chain which is more popular. I think everybody knows this pearl chain. This is with the combination of South Sea pearls and with the combination of corals. Here you can see the corals are different in shape. They are like a pumpkin shape of corals. This is something rare. And these pearls are South Sea pearls. It's totally done by hand. As you can see the workmanship also. On top of the pearls you can see floral kind of caps, gold caps. How beautiful it is made. And this is the real corals. This is more popular design. And you can see the pearls also, it is having a good shine. Here we used Sotsea pearls. How beautiful it is, you can see. And the total weight of this coral pearl chain is 89 grams and the net weight of gold is 31 grams. So approximate value for this gold pearl chain is 4,08,000 rupees. Next, I am going to show another beautiful pearl necklace. Please have a look of this gold pearl necklace. This is completely done by hand. As you can see the workmanships. We call this like jali kind of design. Completely done by hand. Here they used different shapes of pearls, sizes of pearls, smaller and bigger size. On the borders you can see they used a bigger size of pearls to give more beauty for this gold pearl chain. These are completely done by hand. And also you can see the pendant also. It's very nice pendant which is very light in weight. So combination of CZs and green stone in between. This is very beautiful. So those are looking for traditional kind of gold pearl chains, they can go something like this kind chains. And I'll just show you clearly once again the workmanship. It's totally done by hand, and this is also made in 22 karat gold. And also you can see the hallmark over on this. So each and every product you can see all hallmark products. And total weight of this gold pearl chain is 63 grams and the net weight of gold is 25 grams. So approximate value for this gold pearl chain is 2,05,000 rupees, which is very reasonable. So those are looking for traditional kind of gold pearl chains, they can go something like this. A very nice piece. It's well suited for the sarees. And the price is approximately 2,05,000 rupees. And net weight of the gold is 25 grams. Now I am going to show another nice pearl chain with a combination of blue beads. This is something different which is very light in weight. These are also combination of CZs. So those are looking for very lightweight, they can go something like this kind of necklaces which is very lightweight, which is only, the net weight of gold is only 12.2 grams. So within 12.2 grams they made a beautiful necklace like this. And the total weight is 63 grams. And you can see the workmanship also, how beautiful it is made. Here they used round CZs on the, very beautiful. And this is a combination of natural pearls with blue beads. In this we have a multiple colors also, like which is available in green and light green also. Please visit our store in road number 36 Jubilees. We have more models like this. And you can see the workmanship of the back side, how clearly it is made. Here they use very less weight of gold. This is a very nice piece, and also it is having adjustable dory also. It is, you can adjust the length of this necklace. So they are looking for very light in weight, they can go something like this. And those who want to give as a gift, they can go something like this, these kind of very lightweight necklaces. And price is approximately like 1,47,000 rupees. And this necklace is available in 3 colors. One is blue, one is dark green, and one is light green.
You have COD for this?
Yes.
Satla Gupta is asking.
Please, ma'am, please give me your contact numbers so we share you the details and will you. Yeah, COD also is available, ma'am. Now I'm going to show another beautiful gold pearl choker. Please have a look of this. This is something different and unique. As you can see, there are bigger stones of green stones in between. This is something different. This is also made in 22 karat gold. As you can see, the workmanship also is completely done by hand. So on the bottom they used natural freshwater pearls. In between they used red color stones to give more beauty for this choker. And you can see on the borders they used natural freshwater pearls. Here also they used very less weight of gold, which is only 13 grams of gold is there in this choker. And approximate value for this choker is 1,70,000 rupees. So in 170 you're getting something like a beautiful choker. You can just see clearly how it looks.
Priti madam is asking, do you have daily wear malas?
Yes, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Priti, ma'am. Even we have a daily wear malas also. Please give me your contact number. We share you the details. And you can see the beauty of this pearl choker, how beautiful it is made. And I'll just show you the back side also, how clearly it has been done with the combination of CZs, green stones and red stones. And also it is having adjustable dory also. You can even adjust the length of this pearl choker. Like this we have multiple options at road number 36 Jubilee Hills. Please visit our store to see lot more collection like this. And also we have a video call facility also. Please note down this number, which is 9248036721. Even we can show our products through video call. Please save this number. For any further inquiries, please call to us. And also we do free shipping all over India, and also international shipping also is available, but conditions will apply. Okay, now I am going to show another beautiful jhumkis. Please have a look of this gold pearl jhumki. It's something different and unique. As you can see, there are triple layer of jhumkis. It looks heavier, but it's not that much heavy, which is only like net weight they used only 25 grams. And you can see the workmanship also, how beautiful it is done with the combination of natural freshwater pearls with CZs, green stones. It's totally done by hand. You can see here at the back side how beautiful it is made. completely done by hand. This also made in 22 karat gold. So those are looking for a party where they can go something like this kind of pearl jhumkis. On the top you can see CZ stud like this. How beautiful it is. Completely done by hand. And this is very less in weight, which is 41.950 is the total weight. The net weight is 25 grams. And the approximate price for these earrings is 1,86,000. Like this we have more models at our store. Please visit our store at road number 36 Jubilee Hills, Hyderabad. Now I am going to show another Chand Bali, which is made in 22 karat gold. Please have a look of this gold Chand Bali. This is something different. This is very nice piece. As you can see, it's a combination of natural freshwater pearls with green stones, the count of CZs. And this is also made in 22 karat gold, which is less in weight. Here they used only 16 grams of gold. So as you can just assume, in 16 grams they made a beautiful design like this. So in between there is a natural freshwater pearl to give more beauty for this Chand Bali. And on the top you can see like mango shaped stud like this. How beautifully it made. Again, here you can see the tiny pearls over here. It gives more beauty for this stud. Here they used a red stone. This is also made in 22 karat gold, and you can see the workmanship at the back side. Like this we have more models. Not only gold pearl jewelry, like we have diamond jewelry also, and silver jewelry, as well as uncuts and polkas. Please visit our showroom at road number 36 Jubilee Hills, Hyderabad. Hope, and please note down this number. It's 9248036721 for any further inquiries, and also we can show through video call also. And thank you for watching this live stream. I think everybody has liked this video. Please comment on this video, and for further queries please share your contact details also, so that we can call you directly. Thank you for watching this. Namaste. Thank you very much.